Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week so far. We've made it to Wednesday. We are on day number 185 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. We're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right, so let's go ahead and hop right into this video. If you would like to get up to speed on this challenge, guys, go back and watch the previous videos, starting from the beginning of this challenge all the way up to now. That way you can get a glimpse of where we started versus where we are right now. All right, so we're day number 185 on this challenge. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. I'm taking you to the My Legion Secret back office. This is one of my Legion Secret accounts. If you don't know what that is, if you don't know what My Legion Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay, so you may want to call it business opportunity leads. Okay, so every day that you come into this office, you're going to either see 100 or 200 brand new subscribers coming in every single day. Okay, you'll be able to get in front of those people and send out emails, send out a business opportunity email to that customer and get in front of that customer. Okay. Now, a little bit about myself with My Legion Secret. I've been with My Legion Secret, guys, over a few years now. Okay, I totally love this service. I've been doing this for a while. I promote tons of different offers to this traffic to test it, and I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay, and I have been making money with My Legion Secret. Okay, now I also make money with other networks as well by using this service. But I'm just letting you know, guys, this does work. I have about 8 different accounts that I have. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to come in every single day and send out my emails. So it doesn't take a lot of time at all, guys, to send out these emails. Okay. So I'm just showing you guys, this is the back office. This is what your back office would look like. It's going to look identical to this. Okay. The only thing different that's going to be look different between yours and my account is going to be the emails that you send out versus the email that I send out. Okay. And then also the affiliate link, your affiliate links are going to look different than mine. Now, if you guys have multiple accounts with ClickBank, they allow you to have multiple accounts, which is really cool. Okay. And the more accounts that you have, the more chances that you have of getting 200 subscribers per account. So if you only have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. Okay. I would recommend you guys get at least 3 to 5 accounts. Okay. 3 would be the minimum. But you would get those accounts and then you would layer those accounts on top of each other. So you would sign up today with the link I'll provide you. And then once you sign up, there's going to be a affiliate link in your back office and you're going to sign out. Okay. And you're going to sign up under your own affiliate ID. Okay. And you're going to keep doing that over and over again. You have to use a different email address, but you can use everything else can be the same, like the credit card that you use to purchase the program. Okay. So that's how you stack your accounts. And that's how I was able to get to 8 accounts, okay, quickly, okay, by doing that method. All right. So there's going to be 2 popular ways to make money with My Legion Secrets. Number one is just promoting My Legion Secret itself. You can literally come in here, create an email, use this affiliate link right here that's dedicated to you, and insert that into your email, click send. That email is going to go out and you're going to get leads and subscribers to the My Legion Secret program itself, guys. Okay. So people are going to opt in, sign up, and then purchase this program, and you're going to make money from that. Okay. Now you can literally go in here to affiliates, click on promo tools. They already have pre-written email swipes that you can use, guys, to promote the My Legion Secret system. Okay. So you have about 10 emails here that you can use. And all you would do is really easy, is just click on import affiliate email. What that's going to do is going to import it into the mailing system right here. That way this email is going to be already ready to go for you. All you got to do is do a few things and you can click send and it's ready to go. So one of the things you're going to have to do is you're going to have to select the emails that you want to email. Okay. So you select those emails. And it says right here, leads selected for mailing. Okay. These are the emails that are getting ready to go out. Okay. Also, it already populates a subject line for you. May the list be with you. Okay. And then also it inserts a body of text. Okay. So you don't have to come up with anything. You can literally use this email right here. It's already ready to go. Click on perfect timing right here. Make sure there's a check mark in that box. And then right here is our affiliate link. And then once we come down here, we click on send. This email is going to go out all to all these people. And our email, our affiliate link right here, guys, this is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So our prospects are going to open this email. They're going to read it. If they're interested, they're going to click on our affiliate link. Our affiliate link is going to take them to our landing page, and our landing page is going to do all the selling and telling. Okay. All we have to do is get them there. And our jobs as affiliate marketers is just to get our prospect to our affiliate page. Okay. So once you see this email, you preview it, everything looks good, click on send. Now, I've already sent out my emails for today. With me, I usually like sending out my emails at night, anywhere from 9 to midnight. I like sending out my emails anytime before midnight. Okay. I like sending out my emails. Now, you don't have to send yours out at night. You can do it in the morning. Okay, I used to do mines in the morning when I wake up, but I just like sending them at night because I do other stuff during the day, and I do other stuff, make money online opportunities that I do online that I spend a lot more time doing than this method. This method I only spend 5 to 10 minutes a day doing this, and then I'm off doing other income opportunities online. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. Now that's going to be one way that you can make money with this mailing system. Okay. Is by promoting mileage and secret. Okay. Now, the other way is going to be using an affiliate network such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty, Blue Media Ventures. Those are some of the networks that I'm a part of that I've used to promote this. Used to use the service for to promote those programs that I'm using. Okay. So I'm using ClickBank because ClickBank is very easy to use. It's free to get started, and the offers on ClickBank work really well with this mileage and secret traffic. So you can literally go to clickbank.com, create a free account, and then start using the marketplace and start using those e-business marketing offers for this traffic. Okay, they have about 4 different offers that you can use on ClickBank that work really well. Okay, now those are going to be the 2 popular ways to make money with this traffic. Okay. And for this video series, we're using the affiliate network. We're not promoting mileage and secret, which we can. But for this video series, we're using a place called ClickBank because those offers on there work really well with this traffic. That's why I'm recommending it. Okay. Now, there's going to be 3 ways to send out an email. Okay. The first way is to create an email. Okay. If you're good at creating ad copy, you can literally create an email, grab the affiliate link, okay, from whatever offer that you want to promote. Now, it doesn't have to be ClickBank, guys. You can go out and grab, you can go out to JVZoo or Warrior Plus or whatever CPA network that you have in mind. You can go out and use those offers. They're all going to work, okay, because I've made money with all those networks I just named you, okay? Now, you can literally create an email, take the affiliate link, insert it into your email, click send. That's one way, is just come up with an email random. Number 2 is going to be using a email AI service, such as like ChatGPT or email AI or something like that. Those are going to be places that you can go where you can literally tell the AI machine on what kind of email you wanted to write. Hey, write me an email based on the offer that you're promoting, right? And it'll give you a email that converts really well. Okay. And then the third way to send out an email in this system is going to be using the free email swipes that come with the offer on ClickBank. All right. And that's what I would recommend to you guys first, is using the free email swipes. Okay. Because those email swipes that are on ClickBank are dedicated to convert for you and dedicated to make money for you. Okay. So I started out using those emails. A lot of other people started out using those emails. That's what I would recommend for you guys first, is by starting out using those emails first. Okay. And then once you use those emails, then you can repurpose them after a couple months. Kind of use AI, to repurpose those emails. And that's a little bit more advanced. But starting out, I would recommend just using some pre-written emails that are already ready to go for you. Okay. And let me show you what one of those emails look like. Okay. So I'll come down here. Let's just see here. Okay. Boom. Right. This is like one of the emails that they have, right? They're going to give you a subject line to copy and you paste that into the system. And then also you have a body of text right here. Okay. You would just take that body of text and then you would turn this sentence into a clickable link. And this link right here, once our prospects click on this link, it's going to take them to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. It's just like promoting My Lead Gen Secret. It's like promoting any other business opportunity offer. We created a link to get them to our affiliate page. Our affiliate page does all the selling and telling for us. This strategy, guys, is all just a numbers game. Our job is to send these emails out every single day and get people clicking on our link. That way we can earn commissions. All right. So it's super easy to do. This method is super easy. I recommend you guys getting started if you're looking for extra income online. All right. So those are going to be the ways that you can send out an email. So I gave you a few ways that you can do it. If you guys go back and watch these previous videos that I made in the beginning of this challenge, I'll go a little bit more in detail on grabbing the offer from ClickBank. I'll literally walk you through this step by step. I hold your hand, okay, while you're doing it. Basically, you're looking over my shoulder, so to speak, to see how you grab an email, swipe, okay, from ClickBank, and you come over here to the mailing system and you paste it in, and you and then watch the power of My Lead Gen Secret go to work for you. Okay, it's super easy. All right. Now, like I said, I send out my emails every night around the same time. I sent out my emails tonight, okay, and I also sent them out last night. So let's go ahead and check the results from last night and see how we did, okay? Now this is the back office of one of my ClickBank accounts. I have I have multiple ClickBank accounts, okay, about three of them, and I used one of these. I created a third account just for you guys, okay, just to show you that the power of ClickBank and also show you that we're only using one traffic source, okay, for this traffic, okay? We're not using any other traffic sources for this method. My other ClickBank accounts I do use for paid advertising and solo ads and things that I have going on online. But this specific account, guys, you don't have to worry. This is just traffic just from My Lead Gen Secret. All right. Today is October the 29th. As you can see right here, down here at the bottom right, it's October 29th. That way, you know, this is not any type of fake screenshot or anything like that. These are real results, okay, in real time. All right. So, what I like doing is the last 30 days to show you the sales coming in. That way, you can see the algorithm. We just hit month number six of this challenge. So, we still got another 6 months to go to the end of this challenge to see how much money we can make, going up to a year promoting one offer. All right. So you guys follow me, subscribe to this channel, guys, like this video. Let me know what you think about it because we're going to be shooting videos every single day. Okay. Now at the end of this challenge, we may go to another offer or depending on what it looks like, we may keep forward. Okay. Who knows? Okay. We may just do something totally different. All right. But for right now, just a year, we're just going to hammer this thing with My Lead Gen Secret and we're going to use just one offer doing it. All right. So follow me along, guys. Follow this channel. Subscribe, like this channel. Okay. Now this is the past 30 days. As you can see, results have been pretty consistent. Okay. As you can see, we got a sale here. We may miss a day. Like start in the month number six, guys. You're not going to get sales every single day. Okay. There are going to be days that you do not get sales, but for the majority part of this series, as you can see, month number six, between 3 and 6, you're going to see sales pretty consistent. Okay. You're going to see more sales than not seeing sales. Okay. Once you get into that time frame. Okay. Now, starting out, I've seen people, get sales, the first few days, first couple weeks, first month, okay? Or it may take 3 to 6 months for things to actually start taking off for you, okay? Now, with me, I didn't notice things take off for me when I first started. Till months 4 and 5, it was when they actually took off for me. I was seeing little sales here and there, but month 4 and 5 is when things starts to go like this. Okay, so you have to stay with this, and you have to do it for at least 3 to 6 months in order to start seeing this thing take off for you. Okay. Once it takes off, you're going to start being on ClickBank's payroll. Okay. And that's another thing I like about ClickBank. They pay every single Friday. Okay, guys. So you can literally come in here, create your account, and start getting paid every week. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Right here, guys, we got 4 sales in a row. Okay, but then we went 2 days without a sale. We came back and we got sales 2 days in a row here. We missed a day, got sales here, missed a day, sales, missed 2 days, sales, 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 missed a couple days, and now we're back here. And then we got sales 3 days in a row right here. Okay, and we got a sale today. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the power of ClickBank, show you that this stuff does with the power of My Legion Secret. Okay, and then show you that we are making money with ClickBank. I did get a paycheck last Friday. I'm due for another paycheck this Friday, okay, which is the day after tomorrow. All right. So just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I did leave a link below this video for you guys to get started if you want to get on my team and follow exactly what I'm doing. So if you come down here to the More tab, click on this MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you over to the landing page. Click on that link, guys. It's going to get you guys started. If you can see down here, guys, these are some of the testimonials, guys. These are some of the income proof from people just promoting My Legion Secret, okay? And then some of these, like right here, these are just offers from Warrior Plus, like I was telling you before. There's other networks that work. It's not just ClickBank, so you can use quite a bit of others CPA networks that work. Okay. So don't take my word for it. Just look at these testimonials. There's other people making money, guys. I'm not the only one. Don't get left out. Okay. Get started today. Click on the join MLGS now. You can join for $1 a day. Okay, $60 one-time charge to get started, and then just $30 a month to keep the service. You're going to get thousands and thousands of people every single month, and those leads will stay with you. That way, every 24 hours you can come in and get in front of thousands of people every single day. You can promote whatever it is that you want. Okay. So go ahead and get started, guys. I'm going to end this video on that note. I just wanted to come in and show you guys how easy it is to, send out a email in the mailing system. And I also wanted to show you the income proof on what we're doing and that we're getting paid every week. So I'm going to leave this video on that note, and I'm going to meet you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.